Electric cars that are not only sporty but luxurious too. That's exactly what Lucid Motors has set out to do. People, what is up? It's Iram. Today we're talking about Lucid Motors. Lucid is an American electric vehicle manufacturer headquartered in Newark, California. They have launched a new line of exciting electric vehicles, so let's jump into it. Lucid plans to pioneer the EV market by branding themselves as a high-end luxury EV company. Their main car is the Lucid Air. This car is an engineering piece of beauty. I mean, just look at it. Its specs are just as impressive. It's packing 480 horsepower with a range of about 650 kilometers. Very similar to the Tesla Model S. The car has a baseline price tag of $90,000. which is definitely on the higher end. The design philosophy of the car is to be compact on the outside but spacious on the inside. It's designed to minimize the overhang distance between the wheels and the tip of the car, maximizing the wheelbase and reduce the overall length of the car. This gives it the compact, luxury and sporty sedan look. They launched some other models like the Lucid Air Grand Touring, priced at $160K, the Lucid Air Dream Edition, priced at $172K, and the Lucid Air Sapphire, their premium product, priced at almost $260K. You'll notice that most car companies of the new generation start off with their premium vehicle and then work their way down to a mass market vehicle. But Lucid has taken a different approach, where they did start off with a premium vehicle, but with time, their newer editions became even more premium, which shows that they're targeting the wealthy customer segment. You can also go to their website and customize your vehicle, which would ultimately add on to the costs even more. Lucid was founded in 2007 by Bernard C., Sam Wang, and Xiaopeng Lin. They're kinda low-key, so it's really hard to find a picture of them, but this company was originally called Atieva, and they built EV batteries and powertrains for other vehicle manufacturers. But this company transformed when the current CEO and CTO, Peter Rawlinson, stepped in. He is the former VP of Engineering of the Tesla Model S. So this man knows inside out how to make a crazy EV. The company got rebranded in 2016 to Lucid Motors and announced their intentions to build high-end and high-performance luxury electric vehicles. During this time, they plan to build their mega factory at Casa Grande, Arizona, with an investment of $700 million. This factory employs about 2,000 workers with a maximum capacity to build 380,000 vehicles per year, which is more than 1,000 vehicles a day. They were able to do this with massive investments from venture capital and foreign investors. We all know that the EV market is going through massive growth right now. Basic estimates show us that it is currently valued at $384 billion in 2022, with projections reaching up to $840 billion by 2027. The sales numbers, as you can see, are going through the roof. These trends are attributed to many factors, but here's 5. Increased climate awareness, development of charging infrastructure, decreasing costs of batteries, more options for customers with all the new EV companies pulling up to the show, and it's become kind of a fashion trend. It's just cool to own an EV. Lucid has countless competitors, but here's a few. Tesla, Rivian, NIO, Waymo, and every old school manufacturer is launching their own line of electric vehicles. From Porsche, Audi, Ford, you name it, they're making it. But what makes Lucid so different from all of these companies is that they're targeting a very specific customer segment, the high-end market. Everything about their car screams sport luxury, from design, performance, feel, and aesthetics. Lucid's mission is about redefining the future of luxury mobility, and they want their people to have this shared vision and building it from the ground up. I've been reading some reviews online on what it's like to work there, and here's one pro and one con that I saw repeatedly in everyone's reviews. Pro, it's a fast-paced environment with a lot of extremely intelligent people. You will learn a lot as this company is building groundbreaking technology, and everyone is very hands-on. Some people even spoke about being welcomed by the CEO, which is so cool. But on that same note, a big con is that there is very little work-life balance apparently. I think this is because they're still a very young company with a lot of ground to cover to beat their competitors. And sometimes when you're growing, some teams can be understaffed, which often results in overworked employees. But they are hiring across the board, from engineering, marketing, operations, supply chain, and retail. Two of their biggest departments are hardware engineering, where their sub-teams tackle projects in battery technology, structural engineering, and charging infrastructure, and digital, where they have teams in software, controls engineering, and autonomous movement. I even visited one of their retail stores in Vancouver, and it's great to see these cars come to life. With that said, people, I appreciate you watching to the end. I invite you to join me in the Breakdown Club. Let me know what you think of Lucid down in the comments, and tell me what company you want to see me break down in the future. And as always, break it down and keep it simple.